Creating a capsule makeup collection is the secret to a streamlined beauty routine. By focusing on versatile essentials, you can be ready for any occasion without the clutter. Start with a high-quality foundation that suits your skin type. It's the base for any look. Opt for a medium coverage that can be built up or sheared out. Next, a concealer that matches your skin tone is crucial for covering blemishes or brightening under the eyes. A neutral eyeshadow palette with a mix of matte and shimmer shades can take you from day to night effortlessly. Add a black eyeliner for definition and a volumizing mascara to make your eyes pop. For cheeks, a dual-purpose blush that can double as a lipstick will save space and time. Choose a shade that complements your natural flush. A versatile lip balm that hydrates and adds a hint of color is perfect for everyday wear. Finally, a setting powder or spray will keep everything in place throughout the day. With these essentials, your capsule makeup collection will be both functional and fabulous, ensuring you always have what you need to create a polished look, whether you're heading to work or out on the town. Simplifying your makeup routine doesn't mean sacrificing style. It means enhancing it with purposeful choices.